Hello and howdy, my friends. We're looking at question 20 on the 2008 Cayley paper. In the diagram, R is on QS and QR is 8. Also, PR is 12 and PRQ is 120 degrees and RPS up here is 90. What is the area of QPS? So the whole triangle. Okay. All right. What to do? Well, if I could. So we're trying to find the area of a triangle. Now they have broken it down into two parts. So maybe if I figure out the area of each part, we could work with that. Then again, with this 120 degrees here, it's not going to be. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying it's not going to be the easiest thing to get the area of PQR separately. So, how else do we know how to get the area of triangles? I suppose we could drop a right angle here. And that might help some things. I think the second way is probably going to be for the best. So, draw a big picture. Because then I think the 120 here tells us that we have 60 degrees on the other side of R. So PQRS. We've got 8 here, and we've got a right angle triangle and 12 here. I'm going to drop a perpendicular here. And we actually have 2. I'll highlight them in green here. So the green triangle and the purple triangle. If you wanted to, I guess you could name this like T or something. The green triangle and the purple triangle are both right-angled and have an angle of 60. So they are both what we call 30, 60, 90 triangles. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees in here. And the nice thing about that is you don't need to do something like trigonometry or even the Pythagorean theorem to figure this out. It's just, it comes up a lot on contests, so it's a good thing to memorize. These sides are in the ratio of 1 to root 3 to 2. And as long as you can figure out, okay, which one's opposite 30, then the one that is the hypotenuse, opposite the 90 degrees, is twice that length. So if we've got our 60 degrees, we've got 30 degrees up here. We've also got 30 degrees down here. So in the big triangle, in the green one, the 12 is opposite the 30, and so the hypotenuse, which is RS, is just 2 times 12, or 24. Now 24 plus 8 is 32, and suddenly I have the base for my triangle. I have QS. Now how about the height, PT? Okay, so we've got our point T here that gives us the altitude. Well, we've got another right angle triangle, another 30, 60, 90 triangle, but now 12 is the hypotenuse. So the side opposite 30 degrees should be half of that, and therefore 6. And the side opposite the 60 degrees should be root 3 times that 6. So PT is 6 root 3. And now the area, well, it's 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, 32 times 6 root 3. We'll get rid of the 2 and the 6, so it'll be 32 times 3 root 3. And that'll be 96 root 3. And I'm going to say that's our final answer. Let's see if that's one of the possibilities. It's the very last one. It's E. And that finishes up question number 20. Join me, if you will, in the next video for question number 21, the very first of the last 5 questions on the contest, the hard ones, part C.